Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Li Ming. Today I'm gonna be making the oatmeal cookies. This recipe is the most crumble oatmeal recipe that I have ever tried. It's not chewy at all, it's just a crumble. And we only need 7 ingredients: the instant oatmeal, the sugar, which is brown sugar, milk, all-purpose flour, cooking oil, salt, and the chopped nuts. I have chopped pecan here, and as usual I will put all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions, so if you like to follow along at home, then you can have all these. And let's make our cookies. First, we are gonna combine all the dry ingredients together in a large mixing bowl. 1 cup of instant oatmeal, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, about 1/3 cup of chopped nuts. Then just combine them together. Then add 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil, and combine them. Now it looks like all the dry ingredients are covered in the oil. Then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of milk in this mixture. And don't pour it at once. Just add them at a small amount each time. Now the rest of the milk. And continue to combine them together until everything is sticky. Now I use my hand to form everything into a big dough. They're already sticky, see? It's okay, we have some pecan or nuts spread out. It's good to go, and then we're gonna separate them into small pieces. Take a small amount from our big dough and form it to about like 1 inch diameter ball, and then press it. That's our first one. Now we are going to bake them off at 355 degrees Fahrenheit at 20 minutes. Let it sit aside to cool down. They turned out so great. The crumble, not chewy at all. In the center is just a little bit soft, I think. Not that soft because I added several pecans, so it's not soft, just a crumble. That's so great. Actually, it tastes so good. Actually, to me, it's like a energy cookie. Every morning when I go to the gym, I just take 1 piece of this cookie, and it's good enough for my about 45 minutes workout. And I hope you like this recipe and my video too. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and please comment down below and let me know your favorite energy bars or cookies. And please subscribe me for more. And happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.